Folks, you saw a spring table with us, but today we're doing our Easter table in an incredible mint green tablecloth in the damask style, right here on my take on Home and Garden. Okay guys, now where are you gonna go for a beautiful table? Right here, we got it covered. We got it covered in this beautiful light mint tablecloth in the damask style. I have to do an extra one for the counter in the kitchen. I want traditional for the table, and we're gonna go more tropical for the one by the coffee station. Alrighty now. Well, what am I gonna do different for the one by the coffee station? I have Plumeria Frangipani. Now I know you have it in Italy and probably Australia, but I just can't say that I've seen it personally in those places. So all you friends from around the globe, let me know if you have Plumeria. It's a unique and amazing, beautiful flower. Now everybody knows Hawaii has it. It is their state flower, and it has this wonderful waxy flower and incredible aroma. Okay, I'm just gonna tuck in some roses in the bottom for a fill. I want some buds, and we're using that milk glass basket again because, well, this is a different one than what you saw last. This is the crimped American hobnail basket. Crimped around the lip, pinched handle. We had our pine in there. Now let's see, because I don't want to cut these, so I'm going to bend them, you know the trick. Bend them and get them to go around that bowl so you don't have to cut them, because we want to save as much height as we can. Now one of the cuties asked for smaller arrangements, and I totally get it because not everybody has that incredible collection we have. This is smaller, quick. What's my thought here? Roses for Phil, we'll always have them. Only two magnolia and two plumeria, and bring it up with interest with a little bit of spring florals and budding branches here. Done. That's it. We're going to get on to the next one. Alrighty, here's the second vase. We're using that handled basket again in the milk glass. This one really looks Eastery. And we're going to take these fiddler fern. Those of you that have been with us, you've seen me use them before, and we're going to take them. I love these. They're real pronounced, and we're going to bend them to where they're just about touching the table like you landed a helicopter, okay? And then we're doing the same thing on the opposite side. Okay guys, let you in the middle of this and see where we're at. You see how I'm building around like a nest, like a cone shape. Now, I want everything Easter. So in the front, a couple lily of the valley. We have crocus. You see, we want all the colors of Easter. We have our lavender in a next level above the ferns. Now, one of our superstars here is going to be the pink roses. And because we're formal, we're doing what I do on the left, I do on the right. I've got one odd one, so she's going to go in the middle. Okay folks, so we took our baby's breath and looked for gaps, put that in evenly around the bouquet, and we're down to these little roses, which we're going to use again as gap fillers. And you just can't believe from A to B what what they can do to get rid of those last few gaps, which just, anybody that likes decor, something like that could drive you nuts. And you got to address it and take care of it. So that's what we do. Looking pretty good. I wish I had one or two more of them. Not too bad. Okay, I'm liking this. We got a good center of the table. You see we're not as big as the last one, and that should really help the people that like a stick and a twig in a dish. Alrighty, now I'm gonna get set up and we're gonna start on the table. More favorites, folks. Today I want to use the white scalloped edge charger. And the star of the table today and the inspiration, I'm not a pink guy, okay, but these are off the chain beautiful. The Noritake Azalea, folks, from about 1925 to 50, maybe 45. Now, I think hopefully you're starting to see why I went that way with the arrangement in the green tablecloth. Look at it with these, folks. Okay, now we're going to go with 100% cotton napkin with a crystal napkin ring on the left of the plate. I think we gotta go with the gold. Now, we're finishing up these forks. And of course, the dinner fork is on the inside. That's your bigger, longer one. The salad fork is to the left of that, and it's the smaller one. Let's not forget the wine, folks. I'm not sure, but I think I'm gonna have to take you and show you all around. Now guys, too, I wanted to show you here that I did finish the base of the fireplace. And I redid the slate hearth. So I just used what they call a semi-transparent concrete stain, because I wanted to still see the contrast. I didn't want it to look like it was painted solid. They have solid colors, but the semi-transparent lets you see those different shades and contrast in what you had. So just wanted to keep you up to date on that, especially that baseboard. That kicker board really changed it up. So folks, I hope you liked our table today. From Angela and I, happy Easter. And we hope you enjoyed this week, Easter week, and getting ready for Easter. And this is the last video before our Easter tour. So thanks for coming by, folks. Get your Easter on, get inspired, right here on My Take on Home and Garden. And we appreciate you. Take care, everybody. And we'll see you in the next over-the-top, elegant, dramatic, informative decor video.